What's up, y'all? It's us again, and we're back with another video. And today we're doing a cook with this. So we will be making gourmet mashed potatoes, sweet butter corn, and shrimp kebabs. So currently you see some hands that definitely do not look like us, and that's our dad. He's cutting our potatoes just because you know he loves us and he was in the kitchen, so we asked him to cut the potatoes. So we're not cheating, guys. He's just cutting them up for us.
Right now he's peeling them and then he's gonna get into dicing them.
Girl, dicing.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
He looking like a chef. Go ahead, Dad. So you wanna cut your potatoes up, cause we're making mashed potatoes, and you want them to be easily, in little chunks. Not really like little, but you want them to be in little chunks so that they can boil.
Because if you try to like smush them like that, it's gonna be way harder.
What are you talking about?
If you try to smush them like that, it's gonna be way harder.
Smush them?
Like, get them mashed.
Like, so you think you could just mash them?
That's what I mean. If you boil them like that and you try to mash them, it's gonna be harder. That's what I'm saying. That's why you gotta cook them. Adding them to a pot, then putting some water in there, getting them ready to boil. Now we're to the stove. We're gonna put them on high and boil them for 10 minutes.
So these are my shrimp. I'm just seasoning them with Tony Chachere's right now. I'm getting it in there good. And you ain't see but I don't know if you can really see the bell peppers right now, but we cut up our seasoning and we freeze them, so we had to thaw out the bell peppers prior to making it. So if you just buy bell peppers, you don't have to do that. Hold up, if you liking what you see so far, hit that subscribe button.
Oh yeah, don't forget to like and comment too.
So now I'm just adding the kebabs and the bell peppers to the stick. Me and Aniya was going back and forth because I didn't know how much to put on there, because we had a lot of shrimp, like too much. So I was like doing one bell pepper, doubling up one. Like I was just trying to see what to do, really. And it took me a little while because the stick was pricking me, and Aniya was doing the most, y'all. Like,
because my hands was hurting.
I don't want to eat it. So if you have a lot of shrimp, just make sure that you have enough sticks. And now I'm adding blackened seasoning to further season the shrimp. And I'm adding olive oil right now, so when we put the shrimp on the grill, that it won't stick to the grill. Why are you laughing?
Further season the shrimp.
So pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people going by.
Now I'm checking my potatoes to see if they could be cut into, but they're not. So I'm gonna add a minute.
Now I'm putting the kebabs on the grill. What we're using is a new wave. If you haven't heard of it, if you cook a lot, if you grill a lot,
it's a mini inside grill.
Get a new wave. Like, they are the best. You can literally cook anything on them. So just make sure they have enough space apart. Put the top on,
and we're gonna put them on there for 7 minutes.
Girl, the kebabs is my thing.
Shut up. Was that you pressing them? No. Okay, now we're checking the potatoes again because our timer went off and it looks like they're done. So we're gonna take them off.
Make sure you have a little mitten, because you could burn yourself. Because Aniya,
be quiet. Now we're gonna drain them and then put them back into the pot.
Ooh, it's a little foggy. Let me get that off.
I'm gonna add some milk in there.
Why you add the milk?
So it could be a little loose when you start mixing it up.
Ooh.
and make it easier on yourself.
Now we have
Now that's the fun part.
a blender. You can manually.
It's a mixer, not a blender.
I'm sorry. It's a mixer. You can manually mix your potatoes yourself, but if you have like a mixer or whatever,
It's way faster, way easier.
Yeah.
And you can add milk as you go, as you mixing it, but I didn't think they needed no more. They probably did, but I don't know. I just ain't believe.
So you just mix till they get nice and fluffy.
They're really saying I love you.
Now we're gonna head back on over to the stove on low and put some butter, pepper, salt, garlic powder, and parsley. You don't have to use parsley or garlic powder, but we wanted some garlic potatoes. But if you just want some regular ones, you could just use salt and pepper and butter.
And you like add as much butter as needed. It's not really like you add 2 teaspoons in it,
Yeah.
right? So you just add it as you think it fits or whatever. What's the saying?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway, y'all, so you supposed to taste to cook. What is called?
Cook to taste.
Cook to taste.
Oh, I was
So-
tasting them right
so
here, and
you-
they wasn't really
You
seasoned
just
enough.
need to
So I
add
just
some more
added some more.
seasoning, so like you can taste it. Add some more garlic, so it can actually be garlic mash. Those potatoes look nice.
Thank you.
Girl, don't act like you did it
I
yourself.
did. I did the potatoes. You did the kebab. Stop it.
Calm
Now.
Chill. You know that meme on Twitter, relax.
Shut up.
So now, y'all, the kebabs are done, but you have to flip them over so they can cook evenly on both sides. And also, you want to cook the bell peppers down so they can be like nice
they
and
won't be
enjoyable.
hard.
Yeah. So you flip it over, and you're gonna do another 7 minutes on the other side. And if you had like some kind of sauce you want to put on, you would like probably add that now, like a little nice little rub, so it could be glazed on the shrimp. But we didn't add sauce. I was thinking about sweet Thai, but Aniya acts like she don't know how stuff's gonna taste until
Well, you could have did it. That was your kebabs, remember? Now we're gonna make our corn.
What a wonderful world.
We're gonna add a stick and a half of butter.
that's a little more than a half, y'all.
Yeah.
Cause Aniya just, oh god.
That was good, so be quiet.
But we added so much butter because we're making sweet butter corn. So
Buttery corn.
Buttery corn. So
You're gonna add some salt and pepper. No, not salt.
no
Just
salt.
pepper and sugar.
and a lot of sugar because
We
you
like
like
sweet
sweet
corn.
corn. Like you don't have to make sweet corn. You can make regular corn.
But we make sweet.
But I only eat sweet corn.
I hate when I get a little plate from somewhere and that corn just some pepper on there.
Be like, ooh, they got corn on here. Nah. Okay, guys. So we're gonna add a little
you
water.
gotta add a little water.
Dang. Add a little water at the end of the pot so the corn don't stick. Now you gonna put the top on, but you're gonna leave a little opening.
Yeah, I did it wrong.
So the steam could come out. That was us
You
right
gotta
there
like
arguing.
fold it in.
We was arguing. And I had a leftover shrimp because we didn't have enough sticks, so I decided to let me just saute them so tomorrow somebody can eat like some nachos or something with them. So now our kebabs are done. It's time to take them off the grill. They looking nice and good. Bell peppers cooked down and everything. So get you a spatula or anything that you have because it's hot. You have to remember that to get it off the grill. So we have little mini spatulas. So we just use one of those.
Mini spatch.
And look at our shrimp. It's looking nice and good.
Now it's time to plate.
Look at that, y'all.
Scrumptious.
And that meal didn't take nothing but like 30 minutes. Like that's something
Didn't take long at
quick
all.
and easy that you can make, like if you're a college student or if you just high school or anything, or if you're grown. Like that's just something quick and easy. Thank y'all for watching.
That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, real girls are never perfect,
And perfect girls are never real.
bye.